How to get streaks back on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. If your streaks with your friend has disappeared, there is nothing that you can do within the app of Snapchat, and you'll need to report this problem directly to the support team of Snapchat. So for that, you can just open up your Snapchat, and from here tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, and then tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right. From here you just scroll down, and under support you tap on I need help. After that, it's going to take you to the support section of Snapchat. You just need to tap on contact us, and from this options you just choose I've lost my snap streak. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down, you'll have a form that you can fill up. Now your email address and your username will be added in automatically. You just need to type in all the information. So your mobile number, including your country code, the device that you're using to use Snapchat, the friend's username that you lost the snap streak with, the day of having the issue, and you also need to enter in your snap score. Now in this option which says did you see the icon, you just tap on no, and you'll need to enter in your description of what happened. Now you can type in your description. I wrote something like this. You can also copy some of it if you want, and you just tap on send. Now once you send the report, Snapchat will contact you on your email address, and once the problem is fixed, you should be able to get back your streak on your Snapchat within 24 to 48 hours. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.